Alright guys, we're back with another review. This one's Liquid Death Mango Chainsaw. It's kind of shiny here, hard to see. Pretty cool can. I like the gold color. This is a natural flavored sparkling water. Okay, 20 calories. It says murder your thirst. Here we go. Let's give it a try. Always give it the smell test. Mango. Smells like mango.
Mm-hmm. Definitely mango. Very mangoey.
It's not super carbonated like a lot of carbonated waters are. It's pretty good. It's not bad. I don't think it's too mangoey, but you do.
Yeah, I taste a lot of mango. You can definitely taste the mango.
Yeah, it's cool. Cool packaging. Doesn't taste too bad. You know, I don't think I'd buy it all the time.
No.
Maybe once in a while. Probably be good over ice.
Not bad. But yeah, not something I would
It's not
buy
bad.
every
It's
day.
not great. You know, I'll give it a, on a 1 to 10, I'll give it a 6.
I'll give it a 5.
That's a review. Thanks, guys.